What is up, guys? Welcome to Finland. It is so nice to be back here. I was last here in May of 2023. Right now I am here in Helsinki, the beautiful capital of Finland, and I really love this city. I spent 4 days here back in May of 2023, and it's really nice to be back. Here's a quick tour of my apartment here. Great view of Helsinki. I got my clothes drying out. I did some laundry this morning. It's got a full kitchen, nice table. Come this way. There's the front door. There's the bathroom. And then here's the bedroom. So, really big place, and this place for 2 nights was 180 euros, which is around 211 US dollars. So not a bad deal at all, especially for Finland. Finland is not a cheap country. It's not terrible, especially compared to some of the other Nordic countries, but it's not cheap, so I thought this was actually a really good deal. And this place is only a 15-minute walk from the Helsinki Cathedral, which is kind of the downtown area of Helsinki. So I got a really good deal on this place, and of course it had a washer, which was really nice, so I could wash my clothes. Anyway, I got here yesterday to Helsinki, but I didn't film anything. Today is my last day here in Helsinki, because tomorrow I'm taking the train to Rovaniemi, which is in the north of Finland. So I don't really have any planned for today, which I usually don't have any plans, so we're just going to walk around and see what we get into. So I just walked out of my apartment door, and I have to say, this elevator is one of the probably oldest elevators I've ever ridden in. But it does work. Normally I would walk, but I'm on the 7th floor. Seems fine. It says it was inspected 23rd of March 2024. It's good till 2026. So, seems fine to me. Alright, I'm walking to the downtown area of Helsinki. And by that I mean to the Helsinki Cathedral. And yesterday I saw that it was undergoing some pretty big renovations. So unfortunately it doesn't look as nice because a lot of it's covered up. And it's also starting to rain a little bit. And I forgot my wind slayer in my apartment, but I don't think it'll be too windy today, so, but if it sounds windy in the camera, it's because I don't have my wind slayer on. So here's the Helsinki Cathedral. You can see what I was talking about with some of it being covered up. But let's go inside because it's really starting to rain now. It's a really rainy day, but that's all right. I've always loved the view from the top of the cathedral. It's starting to rain pretty good.
But it's simple.
I always love the flags that they have here. I tell you, the Finnish language is one of the hardest in the world. Alright guys, it's a little bit later in the day. I went back to my apartment hoping the rain would let up, and it hasn't. But I have an umbrella now, so we are good to go. So we're gonna go back to the area I was at and go explore around some more. As they say in the Nordic countries, there's no such thing as bad weather, just bad choice of clothing. So we're not gonna let the rain bother us. So that is the old Helsinki food hall, which is where I got this cinnamon roll, which Finland is famous for. And on my last visit to Finland, I actually never had one, so this will be my first time trying it. I am not sure how to pronounce it. I'll put a spelling of it in the video. But like I said earlier, Finnish is a very difficult language, so that yellow building there is the Finnish Presidential Palace. That is where in, I believe, 2018 or 2019, US President Trump and Russian President Putin met with Finland's president. The previous one is currently Alexander Stubb. I don't remember the name of the previous president, but that's who they met with, and that's where they met at, was right there in that yellow building. I also love that church. I'll have to look up the name of it because I forget what it is off the top of my head, but it's a very beautiful church. I went inside it last time I was in Finland, and it's just right down the road from the presidential palace. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I ducked into kind of a cover here, but it's just getting too hard to film while trying to hold an umbrella in one hand, a camera in the other hand, and then the wind is horrific in some places, and it's blowing my umbrella, or almost blowing it out of my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. There's another view of the Helsinki Cathedral. But I really love Helsinki, and I'm excited to explore more Finland, so stay tuned for more videos.